So, halfway through, how's it going, Josh?
It's going great. It's been lots of fun. It's been intense. It has been quite tiring, but learned lots and looking forward to doing not one show, but 2 shows. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Izzy?
It's been really nice to see this, the Romeo and Juliet compared to Macbeth and how the actors take on their new characters. It's been really interesting to see everyone.
Yeah, it's going very well. I think now we're really starting to get into the guts of the play, which is good. And coming back, it will be a case of us just getting everything seamless and ready to go.
Yeah, agreed. From a movement point of view, where you're sussing out your objectives, we're finding some pathways, some shapes, and then as Emma said, we're gonna just tighten it all together to make it ready.
I'm playing 153 different characters and things can be bananas. Absolutely bananas at points. But it is fun. It is really fun to keep working, keep going.
We've been rehearsing Romeo and Juliet without the set. How's that been?
I have found rehearsing without a set really useful because it means that you don't go into a script with a sort of mechanical point of view. Not the saying that when I've rehearsed with set that's been the case, but I think really going in with fresh eyes and focusing on the story and intention and questioning your character's choices and objectives has been really useful to feel liberated and to be able to go anywhere in the space and not be so strict and tied to blocking and the set.
Yeah, I mean, you guys have just been all over the space, which has been really nice to see because there's more freedom in kind of you guys specifically exploring your relationship and not having any constraints and like things blocking you in the way. So you guys get to like be all lovey-dovey and floaty, and it's nice.
Lovey-dovey floaty.
Yeah, I think it's good. I think it allows your instincts to run wild, and it's, which I think is really helpful before then kind of going back over it and plotting things and setting things, because you still have those instincts and intentions there that you worked on before.
I'd say it's allowed play to be really present and movement to be really free.
I think everything got covered, I think. But in the same breath, it does allow you as the actor to be able to not get stuck in a track, stuck in something. It allows you to be free when there's no set. I guess when we do implement set back into the fold, I guess it will take what we have worked on, what we have created, and seeing how those two can blend.